Hi guys, it's Harry from Kickstart Commerce, and today I'm here with a really quick tutorial for you guys. So today I'm going to show you how to toggle on and off this subscribe to our newsletter subscription box in the footer. So you obviously want to turn this off if you're not collecting emails, or if you're collecting them in a different way. But this is quite a good tool for if you want to increase your mailing list and collect emails. So if we just go to the back office and we navigate to the marketing section and then the email marketing section, we can just tick this allow newsletter subscriptions on or off. So it's on at the moment. If I was to turn it off and save that now, if we go onto the live site and refresh, that should have disappeared. Yep, there we go. Okay, perfect. I hope this has helped a couple people, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.